Good morning, friends! It's early in the morning. What time is it? 7:53 p.m. Hi, friends! I could have lied to y'all and said that it was 7 in the morning, but I didn't want to fib. We had problems with the power again today because, like I said, they're replacing all the poles in the neighborhood, and all my street, I live on the corner, was shut down. I had to park way down yonder, and one of the neighbors was like, well, at least you're getting good exercise. I didn't want to hear that. I stayed up till after 4 in the morning. I was outside watching the meteor shower, and everything was looking good about 9, 10, 11 p.m. I went to go walk Grandpa. Then I came inside. I had to wash all the dishes, finish laundry. By the time I went outside and downloaded a time lapse on my phone, it was entirely cloudy, and I was so upset. Because here I am trying to record something for you guys, and it's my first meteor shower, and I just wanted to lay there and look at the stars. I had old dude. Luckily my son was home. I left him with him, and I stayed outside. And I probably looked a little funny being out there by myself, standing there like this for hours. My legs hurt. But I came inside, I took a little nap, I woke up, I had some coffee, and I'm awake now. I have a gift. Anybody that knows the purple bag, this is from Rose. Rose likes crochet. Rose loves to crochet, not likes. Hi, Rosie. She sent me a package, and when I opened it up, there was a note inside. Now let us read the note. Came a little organza bag, purple. It says, "Hi Z, a gift for you from MARSHA, made by MARSHA Mom." It says, "Made by Rose, love you ZZ." Oh. I will put her link down below. And made by MARSHA Mom. Thank you, MARSHA. She got something for me. I'm gonna take it out of the package. I had screamed when I opened it at the post office. It's my baby daddy. Joe! Look at that. Look at my mans. You see my manses? And he looks so handsome. My lens is dirty. Thank you, Rosie. Thank you, made by MARSHA Mom. Don't want to mess with this here yet. It's still shrinking. This is my gift from little Tommy. They're glow-in-the-dark plugs. I'm going to go to the store. I got to get food for dinner tomorrow. Go pick up my medication. And then hurry up and come back home, because I am getting bit horribly. Is there anybody else that's getting bit as much as I am? It's ridiculous. I have bites all over me. I take prescribed folic acid, and I was told that the prescription causes me to be more sensitive to bites, and me no likey. So let's get to the store and get her food. The lines are packed. Packed, I tell you.